Hey guys, wait till it starts.
Hey guys.
Hi, it's just me and Danny today. Shell's in work, so we've brought little Jay with us. We've come back to WW2 bunkers that we tried to find the entrance in the other week and couldn't find them. But now we found them. Now we found them, we've come back and we're going to show little man around. So until we get inside, see you in a bit. Bye. Right guys, we're just getting into the bunker now, so bear with me while the camera is a bit shaky. Right, you're going to be very careful, it's a bit slidey, okay? Sorry if it's a bit dark guys, I will set it up when I get down here properly. Come on, come on. Little Jay's coming down. Oh shit. Hello? Come on, be careful. Come on, I've got you. And Danny just slides. Right guys, so that's where we've just come in. It does say turn right, so we are going to turn right. But the thing is, guys, we kind of don't know which way to go. Right, guys. Wow. Yeah, look. There's another entrance, Jamie. There's two. Where you probably ought to drop stuff down or took stuff out. Right, guys. There's a lot of bricks and that in here. But yeah, I was meant to check about the history of this place. But in all honesty, I've had a lot on my mind. Jamie, don't run! Shh! I'm recording. I've had a lot on my mind and I just didn't get round to it. So, but this is a weird one for me because where we are, it's under a local park. Now this park I used to grow up in. And to be honest, I never knew it was here. So, yeah, for 15, 16 years before I moved, here's another entrance. That one's blocked. This one, I used to, like I said, grow up around here before I moved. It was about 16 years. I lived around here, grew up, come to this park all the time. I never knew about this. Like, ever. But yeah, I don't know how long. I think it was a World War II bunker.
Both of you face forward.
Bear with me a minute, guys. Yeah, I know. Just, it literally is not that sort. You put it one way, if you're about 6 foot in here, you'd have to duck.
Why?
You would. Look. Oh wow. This place just goes on and on. Ready? Echo! No, basically that would have been probably vents up there. Yeah, there's another entrance. Entrance 5. Get a picture of that one. Yeah, look, Jamie. Yeah. Wow, guys. I never, ever knew this was here. I'm just wow. 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 Right, hang on a minute, guys. Look at that, Jamie. That's from the war.
What's that meant to be, all the people like that?
That's people who have been down here. Get underneath it. Move your torch down onto the floor. That's it. Right. That is so cool. Yeah, no, look, there's loads.
Whoa!
Wow.
What's, I want
Look at that.
I'm made of, I know.
They are amazing.
We've got on the roof as well.
Wow, they are absolutely amazing. Look, there's one here as well.
Oh, God, just look at the roof. Wow.
Yeah, just people have been putting, look, it's even got initials and everything. I wonder if there's any dates on here.
So it's left the water bottle down here for ages.
Oh well. Just the detail is unreal.
What was it? What he done? About 1,000-year water bottle sitting there.
That is so cool. Just the detail in it. That is like amazing.
Hey.
Oh wow, there's more here.
What the? That's so cool.
Wow.
Oh, could they shoot down from here? Shoot up?
No, this is just where people hid.
Yeah, that was
Wow. There's initials on them and everything.
That is amazing, because look,
Yeah.
pipe going up.
Look, Jamie, look at the water on the ceiling.
I only got one.
See it?
Can I
That's
just
where it's coming through.
get it?
Look, you can see it. See?
Which one?
Just be careful with your feet, and okay? Well, you can't turn right, so we have to go left.
Where's that way blocked? Or dead end?
It's dead end. There's another one all bricked up.
Yeah, this is the number.
Yeah, number 4, yeah.
Look at the ceiling.
I know. Just be careful where you're standing, okay? See, this is why I told you to put an old pair of trainees on that.
Another bit.
Wow. You can go right again.
You can go in.
Yeah, so this, guys, was World War II, I'm guessing. Sorry if the camera is a bit blurry at times. Yeah, look, barrels and everything.
Wow.
Yeah.
These shoes are
Yeah. It's a shoot.
bang, bang.
Yeah, guys, I'm sorry if my torch does get in my way at all. I do apologise.
I don't know what he's doing.
Yeah, look. They're old. I'm guessing they used to have lighting or something in here.
I like to do that, though, that's all that.
You'll be fine, lads. Right, guys, I am going to have to try and keep my torch
Turn right.
somehow. So, if it does go a bit weird on the camera, guys, I do apologise. Your entrance 3, well, that's been filled in a hell of a lot.
My God.
Yeah, guys, this is what we have to go past every time we come past an entrance.
Yeah, it's got that way.
Oh,
What?
yeah, I don't think we're going down there. I think we're going to have to come back there. In here with wellies. A lot of talking on this, guys.
It's interesting.
I haven't got much information about it, like I said, so...
Don't think we can go that way.
I know, I was just looking to show. Right, so guys, that's leading round to the other way. Yeah, the water doesn't look that deep from where I am, but bear in mind, I've got fabric trainees on and there's no chance I'm going down there, don't even try it. No, Jamie, even with trainees on, it's got quite a bit.
Oh, God.
Oh, wow, Jamie.
Look at the look.
Wow.
Look at this.
No.
It's not.
Do you know what it is?
No.
It's a teapot, look.
What's it?
Looks like it was a teapot at one point.
Wow.
Stone.
Oh, looks weird.
Wow, look at that. Right, let's carry on then. Entrance 2.
Nah, we got that right.
This isn't that bad.
Look up. Wait, turn right and go that way. Wait, no.
They keep saying that.
There's no bloody every single one.
Wow.
Oh, God.
That's why I say put your torch down when you're walking over stuff like that. There's loads of entrances for this place, isn't there? Yeah, guys, what I'm going to do is, while I'm editing this video, I will be finding how many actual entrances there was for this place, because by the looks of it, there was quite a few.
Right, 10.
So,
No way around.
wow, you can see the roots from trees and whatever coming through. Wow. They're crumbling above us. They're crumbling above us. It's like cars or whatever. Wow, nature is really trying to take over in here. Mad that, innit? Wow, look at it.
Wow.
Really coming through in here. Wow.
What address is that?
Don't know, it doesn't actually say. Don't think it was meant to be. Right guys, as you can see from the ceiling, it looks like at one point it could maybe have been fire, possibly.
Yeah, definitely take the fire and then shovel.
But it does, especially when you come down here. Sorry if my light's not that good this time round, guys. Me big light's kind of
Left it.
gone weird, even though I've put brand new batteries and stuff in it.
And it's just...
It's just not coming on at all.
Is there anything interesting?
Wow, no, but there's the toilets. See down there?
What the hell? Daddy, I thought
Yeah, guys, we do go quiet at one point. This is the end of it. We can't go down any further. It's just back on ourselves. Yeah, guys, if you hear us going quiet, we do keep hearing grumbling above us, like rumbling noises.
cars.
Yeah, so guys, there's the toilets anyway. Or what used to be.
Oh, that's Danny's big dome.
Now, you've just got to remember, lad, years ago it was a bunker, don't forget, so they didn't have proper toilets down here.
Yeah, that's Danny's dome. Danny has a big dome and he lives at the toilet. He goes for it. Okay? God, the food smells down here.
Yeah, it is. Oh, just back on ourselves.
What happened to this?
Yeah, there's more toilets. Look, you can tell it was a toilet. It's got the seat on it and everything.
Okay, then.
Right, so guys, that is it of the actual bunker. We have reached the end and we are going back.
So how? Exactly.
We're going to go back the way we kind of came, but try and go to the right instead of
Left.
right again.
Can we just go that way then?
You can't get out that way. Right, so guys, I have invested in one of these. We're not going to use it today. I just wanted to bring it down just to test it and see what it was like. But you've got to hold it very still.
How to change
But guys, if you don't know what that is, it basically is a laser grid. Now, when we do any investigating, it will come in handy because if any spirits or anything walk past it, it will break the light. Where's the light? As you can tell, it does break the light. So, yeah, we are going to try that out one day, guys. Right guys, we are going to come back with Shell, because Shell's currently in work, so she couldn't join us. But we are going to come back And we are going to do an investigation because it's a World War II bunker. Hang on. Because it's a World War II bunker, there's got to be some kind of energy down here. That's the flooded way, it's that way. Even if it's residual or whatever, they could be, they might not. But do you know what? We're going to come back and we're going to give it a shot and see what we can pick up. If we pick up anything, we'll make a video. If not, then I doubt it, like, it goes all the way around. But yeah, we are going to come back and make a video of the place, guys. So, yeah. This goes under one of the big buildings. It used to be factory, warehouse, something. But the thing is, if I say the name of it, I will give the location of this place away. And to be honest, yeah, okay, there's a lot of kids that come into the park, but I don't want this place to get ruined. This is World War II. This is history. I don't want kids coming down here and vandaling the place. So I'm not going to reveal the location. But if you are an urban explorer and you do watch our video and you do want to check this place out, I might possibly pass you the details, depending how nice you are. We're not just going to willy-nilly give the location out, guys, so just to let you know. I'm very wary who I'll give the locations out to. Exactly, lads. We don't want people coming down here and wrecking this. But exactly, it's cool. Look, it's just all the old buckets. Oh wow! Sorry guys, I didn't see this one. That is so cool.
Yeah,
Oh, there's more here.
we know we went past them before.
No, these ones we didn't. These are different. Wow, guys, there's loads down here. What I said, watch where you're standing. Let me get over here, guys, and then I'll show you. Oh, it's a bit wet. It's not too much, but you're okay. But
Yeah, we're going new ways.
wow, guys.
There's another one here. There's two. There's that.
Oh wow, well spotted, Jamie.
I just have my light here and then
Wow. And then
these two.
spin you around, guys. And then there's this.
Because I found these.
There's a Jamie. Baby J.
Bloody hell, they're in my eyes.
Sorry, lad.
Do you want me to take the light off you?
Right now, I don't know if that's actually the person who wrote it or what, but Eric Nixon, 39, and then there's a signature as well, but
That does not look like it.
I don't know. Right guys, we are heading out now, so
Well, it is dark. There's probably
like
people that even up there.
you can see, it's just bunker, tunnels, there's not much, but them drawings on the wall are absolutely fascinating.
These are probably like the light switches.
Oh wow.
There's blood. There's blood. I did tell you what you did.
Well spotted, kiddo. Sorry guys, we're not on the way out, I forgot about this way. We turned right when we came in. So, there's the entrance. Entrance as you come in. Wow! This place is massive. So we've just been all the way down the other end, guys. That was all to the left. All we kept doing was turn left, turn left, turn left, turn left, turn left. So, okay.
They look like mini streets.
Wow. Fucking hell. Wow. Entrance 8. Wow, that's cracking now, look at that. It looks like the ground's splitting off. If you look closely as well. Oh, you can't even see it on this camera, guys, but It's literally arched.
I can just grab it.
Wow. Wow.
Wait, look good.
Yeah, it's just
My house
solid.
doesn't stop.
Stalactites?
Oh wow.
Or is it stalagmites?
I don't know, I never understand that route.
Do you want to feel it?
I do. I feel nice. What the hell?
Right, wow, that split goes all the way down here as well along the floor.
I'm making this bigger somehow. Oh, it's just a big.
Yeah, you push it in and pull it out. Wow.
Hey, where's your?
Touchdown, told you. Look. Wow, look at it. Oh, that guys. It doesn't do it any justice on this camera. But if you ever do come down here, it is split right down. It's like it's either sinking or rise, the ground right. I have no idea. Wow. I wonder what's caused this.
Probably bombs.
I don't know. Because that had happened up, not down.
Yeah, but I'm tiny.
It gets worse around here.
Wow, it does. Yeah, guys, you can see that. If we keep it low to the floor.
What the hell? Cracks everywhere. What the hell? I'm keeping the small one on. Because I can reach further.
Wow.
Wow, guys.
Right, more down here.
You can see on there how bad that is. That is, wow. I didn't know it was this big. Wow.
My camera's been focusing.
Mine went before. Like the lens.
Circle.
Right, let me walk down.
3 circles. What the
Wow,
heck?
guys, look at that. It is...
Something's been digging up with this.
No, it's not that it's digging up. I don't actually know what has actually happened.
Why do you want the big one and the tiny one? It'll reach further.
Wow, that is weird walking across that.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh. Hey, it's a big. It's small.
Wow, this plate, look at it.
It's like a bouncy castle.
Yeah, no, iPhone or two.
But why down here, not at the top?
True.
Someone probably lit one by accident.
No, not down here, let me see. Wow. Entrance 10. Wow, there was a lot of entrances to
Where
this.
the hell was entrance 9 then?
Back down here.
Back down there, we passed it before.
Wow. Wow, guys, this floor is unreal.
It's bloody weight.
What way?
Good grip.
Coming back to the right.
Wow, this is weird. Wow. Jamie, I need you to do me a favour. Just look at that, guys. You can tell from now. Come on, walk down. Try and walk in the middle of it. Even if you have to put legs on both sides, just so I can catch it on camera. You know, guys, this is what I mean.
Wow.
This is exactly what I mean. Wow, guys.
Scary, I don't want to be first.
You're doing really well, mate. That's what urban explorers do, kiddo. Doing well.
I thought there was a smiling face on the wall. It was just my eyes.
Wow, it goes down. Wow, it's like a ramp. You can tell.
Yeah, it is. But I just fell.
No, it's not that. It dips.
Does it? I thought it actually does.
Wow. Entrance 11.
There's a metal pole. God, how many
Wow.
entrances are there in this goddamn thing?
I don't know. Wow. Yeah, guys, I'm literally having to watch my foot now. Everywhere I stand. Wow, this is crazy.
If you want the masks sink at least anyway.
Yeah, you don't actually need them.
I bought that one to be thick one to be sink. Okay. Do you know why I'm using the thin one?
Wow, this
I'm gonna go down the thin one. And then my big one.
is crazy.
Okay, oh, I left it. Wow. Someone's at sweets. One's obvious.
Wow, because of the...
Transform and snap.
Yeah, guys, this is what I mean. Before, we didn't have to duck. Now, because of the floor is the way it is,
Oh, Daddy.
we're literally touching the ceiling in here. Entrance 12.
I'm not touching the ceiling, I'm trying to midget. Which way?
Well, that's proper concreted up on that side. I don't know who's fascinated more with this. At least we've kind of eased off a bit. But, have you noticed as well down here? These,
They're wires or something.
they must have been
What?
something.
They're nails.
Seating, bedding.
Nails.
Wow. This place is crazy, guys, it really is.
What the hell's that?
13.
What the? We can't pass home.
I want to know where we are, up underground.
Oh, yeah.
Like what we're actually under.
Yeah, I want to know what we were. I think just went round and bloody fast.
Wow, 14. Entrance 14.
Is he 15?
I don't know how many
Was
these
it
were.
right? Yeah, they've definitely tried blocking that. We don't need to put it there.
Oh shit, watch where you're standing there, mate.
I know. This is definitely the one.
Right, this is the end.
Is it?
Yeah?
No.
So what was it, 15, 14, 15?
40. Danny. Come on.
Wow. But 14 entrances, guys. Oh. Is that the wall splitting?
No, it's just where the...
Yeah. Toilet seat. Yeah, we put this white person.
We haven't, lads. We're going round in a circle again.
What the hell is it? What is it?
It's the one just after the entrance. Oh, just before the
Oh wow,
entrance.
there's loads of
Buckets.
buckets down here.
You know it came this way?
Oh wow.
Those ones go like that.
Let's go.
They're not in there. Come on.
Wow.
Yeah, we're on this bumpy bit again, Mum. Which one would
They're
you
like
rather-
fire bins.
Which one would you rather have? Tiny or big?
Jamie. They are the fire bins.
You have a call.
How weird's that?
I don't know.
What?
Doesn't look like
I thought they were before.
Doesn't look like
Oh guys, look.
Wow.
Yeah, there's something in this one.
Oh,
Yeah, I don't know what the hell is
rust.
yeah.
Poo. Oh, that's a big poo, that, isn't it?
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
probably-
look, they've wedged this bit up to keep it shut. Oh no, I thought they did. It's just a metal bar there. Guess I'm shocked.
Well, getting through that one's a bit hard, isn't it?
I know, yeah.
I hate when people do that.
Number 12. Wow, this floor is
Oh,
really
look,
bad.
yo. Okay, then you should
I know,
do
it's
the
okay.
thing.
He does, babe.
Want me to go
Hey, look, one of the old actual grids.
Someone else
Sorry.
This one.
Flat.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 11. This is 11. What number we have before?
I can't remember.
Then you do remember?
24.
What?
What?
I hate you. You did. Yeah, that way.
We were up backwards 11.
I am going right by here, aren't I? Yeah. Wow.
One left.
Come on. Oh shit. Wait.
Wait, stop.
You alright?
Yeah. God, seriously,
Exactly, that's what I mean.
shoe.
I've just slipped down.
Yeah,
Then.
you thought.
Now, some of that stuff in there has gone in my shoe.
We'll sort it when we get out.
Right, we're almost back to the entrance now.
Yep.
Yeah,
Wow.
look at the water there.
Well for that one. That's how bad the floor is.
Left it was.
Wow. Yeah, we have. I keep sliding down there. Just be careful, Jamie, please.
No.
I keep sliding on this.
Can you even help me? We have to go this way. I was that in April. This way. No, I want to be afraid.
Just be careful. Yeah, so much for not being. So much for being a bit scared.
I know, probably exploring.
Yeah, our little baby Jay wants to get into his own exploring, guys.
That one.
We are going to show him what to do.
Yeah.
He is going to be starting his own YouTube channel eventually.
Good, Dad.
Not yet though. But
There's the asteroid one.
oh yeah, this one.
That's why I call them the asteroids. Oh,
The mad, aren't they?
yeah, huge. What is it?
Yeah.
Yep.
You need a picture of this
Number 8.
because it used to look. It was piping.
What happened, Danny?
It was piping. Look.
Piping.
Jamie.
Let go. Yeah, this way. This way.
There we go. And that's it, guys.